Welcome again to my video channel. I just found a new baked beans fork on the Fantom network. This is the first miner ever created on Fantom, so it has a lot of potential. Spookyminer collects bones, builds skeletons and earns you Fantom tokens while doing it. You've seen these projects before, so you know how it works. You connect your MetaMask wallet to the Fantom network, deposit your Fantom tokens and in return you gain 8% daily as a reward. I already shared this miner in my Crypto Miners Telegram group. People in my group are always first to hear about new websites and contracts that I find and share here on YouTube. If you are not in my Telegram already, check out my link below. I would love to meet you there. If you don't have Telegram, you can also get in my Discord server. The link is also below. If we check the transactions on Fantom Scan, you can see that the community is very strong. There is 235,000 Fantom in the balance, and we see many buys and compounds, so that is a good sign. If this balance goes down, then you know that you are too late to get in. Always check the contract. If the balance keeps growing, then you know that new people are coming in and the miner will sustain for a long time. But if the balance goes down, be careful and start claiming some of the profits. That's the only way to profit from these miners. I think this can be a long-lasting miner. People are actually being told to only compound 6 days and claim on day 7. This is exactly the same strategy that I also use with all miners. I may be wrong here, so if you have another working strategy, please share it with us in the comments section below. I would be pleased to hear what you have to say. Don't forget that this is not financial advice. I only show you what I do. Always do your own research and never invest money that you can't afford to lose. This is crypto, and nothing is guaranteed. Remember that the money you put in cannot be taken out. You can only withdraw the daily interest. But there is a catch if you withdraw your rewards every day. The daily yield will go down to maybe 5 or 4% and even lower, depending on how often you withdraw. The best strategy in order to keep 8% at all times is to compound your bones for 6 days, and claim on day 7. As soon as you invest, you start building skeletons that earn you Fantom. Or you can sell your bones every day or once a week and get your Fantom out. There is a 6% dev fee and the referral program gives you a nice 12% commission when someone joins the spookyminer with your link. You can read more about the referral program in the white paper. If you are planning to get in this miner, feel free to use my link below to support my channel. I will make a 12% commission, but that won't be taken from your money. It comes from the contract itself, so you won't lose anything and I will gain a little bit. Thank you very much if you use my referral link. It is very much appreciated. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment below or contact me in my Telegram or Discord. Please share, leave a like, or subscribe to my channel and hit the small bell icon to hear about my latest videos first. Have a wonderful day, and stay safe.